Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Off the Board with pineapple papers, and I am going to use this sketch, and this is going to be a double page spread. I am so excited to be almost done with double page spreads. I like them, but I've done way too many for this Cuba trip. Now, I will say that this is obviously from scrapbook.com. And it's a very, 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 very loose style sketch because it's just got a couple of different little pictures, pops of paper lines, and then 2 circles and calling it a day. So you kind of have to take this loose sketch and make it your own. So I had to do some flip-flopping around because the photos that I am using here are while we were in the Everglades. This was the morning of the day that we were supposed to get onto the boat. And I decided that because we got there the night before, we ate some European food, which brought back memories, which was awesome. That morning, I decided to hit up the Everglades so that we could go see that before we got onto the boat for that particular day. And we decided, I'll take that back. I decided that we are going to do the Copperhead or Copperstone ones. It's the oldest one that is in the Everglades for tours and stuff. And the guys were really, really good. They actually did what I felt an amazing job of showing the Everglades, the gentlemen. So the photos, obviously the one photo is of my husband and I. The bottom is while we were in the Everglades, just taking pictures of it while I was on my phone and whatnot. And then the other one where you see my funny face is the tour guide. And let me tell you, this tour guide was a little bit off his rocker, I felt, but he was actually, he did a really, really good job. Just a little off his rocker. So here I am, and then the other 2 photos are of one of the alligators. I know it's a she, if I remember correctly, she was, I think, getting ready to have babies or was in heat to, get babies. I can't remember. I think she actually just had them because we went in March. And so I think she may have just had them and whatnot. So anyway, I am placing down a bunch of arrows down at the bottom, and then I'm like photo op and things like that. So I did a little flip-flopping. I'm to date, I know that when this video goes up, I will have another layout in the afternoon. And then I do have a couple other photos that are going to pop up in September. But ultimately, as of today, when I am doing this voiceover, I only have two more process videos. One is a 1-page layout, and then the other one is my last 2-page layout for a while. Like, I am done with 2-page layouts. That's all I did this summer. So you guys should have gotten quite a bit of content of having 2-page layouts with this particular trip, because it was easier to do the 2 pages than it was to do a process video for each and every complimentary pages. But I am putting a bunch of these signs along the side here. I really like how I went sticker and then chipboard, sticker, chipboard, and then what I decided to do was on each of the other pieces, I went and added flowers and just little bits and bobs that way. Like I told you guys, I wanted to make sure that butterflies ended up on all of the layouts because that was kind of like the signature piece that I found. And I'm doing pretty good. I have quite a bit of them left, but ultimately I was able to get butterflies on all of the layouts. It's awesome that way. I do know that some are more heavy based than the others, but ultimately I'm glad that I was able to get most of the butterflies on all of the layouts. Now, I am working on this one page, this one side, so like the second page, I guess, if you want to call it, to the double page spread, really doesn't have much photos. There's just 2, but I do a lot of that on the side. And it's just talking about living life in the moment, etc., yada, yada, that type of things. I really don't do much more than just that for that respect. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Make sure that you go check out everybody over at, that's in the links down below. Obviously, we do this once a month, so it's always the fourth Wednesday of every month. And I actually love this collection, or this collab. It's one of them that makes me use my Pinterest, but I think in the past year, since, since this was done, since I have done this collaboration for, I think now a full year, if I go back and look, because I know this started in 2019, I think in August. So since August to August, I think I've used up more of my Pinterest boards than I have ever done since I've started my process videos 3 years ago. No, it'll be 4 years. 4 years in November. Man, because I started it, we got back in October, and by November I was doing process videos. So, yep, I have to say that I am coming up on 4 years, and in the last year, I've used more of my Pinterest. So it has worked out wonderful. So I'm telling you, go use your Pinterest boards. You have to use them more. It works out wonderful for me to just get inspiration. Now, I don't always follow everything on there, but I do always pull bits and pieces from it. And that's what I truly love about Off the Boards. So, make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below. I think we've got, I know we have a full house, but I think it's actually pretty much all of us that does this on a monthly. We all have our layouts for this month. And of course, we always do something different. I know like last month for July, we had the same mood board, but she just, Crystal just wanted to do something a little bit different for July, since that's been a year. But we're all back to doing our normal daily monthly thing of where we pick one off and use it. So yeah, I will link that down below. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe. I would love to have you. I absolutely love doing this for you guys. I mean, I'm going on 4 years. I'm hoping that by January I can be at 3,000 subscribers or close thereafter. I'm like a quarter ways there. I'm at 2,250, almost 2,260. So I'm like a quarter way there. It's perfect. Like I said, I love doing this for everybody. So I hope that you guys all like and subscribe, and definitely come back. So now I'm just finishing up these little bits and bobs. I do pull out my sunset strip, or my sunset strip for the splatters, and then that is it. Make sure that you check out everybody down below. Hit that like and subscribe button. I hope that you guys all have a safe and wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.